Hey there, my lovers and friends. I'm back. And by now you would have saw my faux locks, bomba locks. That's what I have in my hair right now as a protective style. I just got back from Mexico, and yes, I didn't do such a great job of taking care of my skin. I burned a little bit and I'm a little ashy, so I'm putting on some Kiehl's onto some dry spots I have on my face. But this is not what this video is about. This video is going to be nice and quick, I hope, because I want to talk to you about some lashes. But before we get into my lashes, as I'm doing this get ready with me, I want to let you know how I'm taking care of my hair. Jamaican black castor oil all over my edges. I also discovered this castor oil keratin spray at TJ Maxx that I use to kind of freshen up. It has a really nice smell to freshen up my scalp, because I did get wet. I got into the water when I was in Mexico. So I just love this little spray. I put it on my scalp to keep it moisturized. By now my faux locks are a couple weeks old, so I see a lot of growth, which is a positive thing. But I needed to slay my baby hairs as well, so I used some Eco Styler to kind of lay it down and shape up the baby hairs, and then tie down my hair before I got into my makeup. And my lovers and friends, thanks for coming back another week to check out a video. You know, I'm over here trying to do these baby hairs. You know, I'm getting better. That's what we're talking about. I'm trying stuff and I'm getting better. And you guys are missing the evolution every time you watch a video and you don't hit subscribe. So let's take a break right now and hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Now, ladies and gents, I want to tell you what this video really is about. So I've been trying different hairstyles, but the other thing that I absolutely positively adore is some good lashes. I think they set off the look. Good hair and a good lash. So I did a recent lash haul and I wanted to show you all these lashes I got from Aliexpress. They're a nice wispy 3D, have a nice thick black band, and you can see that they're supposed to be very wispy. Not sure if they're genuinely mink, but they do last and have lasted me a long time with proper care. I haven't tried this E12 before, so we're gonna see kind of how this fleshes out. Now don't mind me, I'm trying a smoky eye. It didn't come out the best, so don't judge a girl. I'm trying. So take a look at these lashes that I got for less than $3. fast forward, I put the lashes on, and if you all want to see how I apply my lashes, I'm happy to do something like that. Please just let me know below. These are really nice, and I can see why they're very popular. They're very wispy, have a very natural feel. They're not too heavily filled, and the different various lengths just makes it look like just a pop on your eye. So I really like these. In fact, before I posted this video, because I don't know how y'all roll, but I went and copped a couple more because I can see this being like a nice staple go-to lash. And so here's the full look. I'm still playing around with my faux locks, but as you can see, like, I look tremendously better. I love these lashes so much. I'm going to be trying out the different types and presenting them here so you can get a sense of the look. So any feedback on specific things that you do want to see in these lash review videos, let a sister know. But thank you so much for checking out Abenaatriesbeauty, and I will see you all again next week.